Hi viewers, this is Smart Academy. Please subscribe my channel for CSI Just Net Physical Science online classes. Today I am discussing about CSI 2013 paper. In that paper, part B, that is 34th question, classical mechanics. The question came, so I want to give the solution for this question. Before going to discussion, before going to solution, please subscribe my channel for more videos. So this is a question: the Hamiltonian of a relativistic particle of rest mass small m and momentum p is given by h equal to under root of p square m square plus v of x in units in Lagrange, in which the speed of light is equal to 1. The corresponding Lagrangian is. So in this question, what we know already, what we have information, that is h equal to under root of p square plus m square plus v of x. So what we have to find? Lagrangian for that one. We have Hamiltonian, we have to find Lagrangian. The units, the speed of light is equal to 1. In that condition, we have to find Lagrangian for that Hamiltonian. So we have the options here, 4 options. So we are moving to solution. Hamiltonian of a relativistic particle of mass m and momentum p, that is equal to p square m square plus v of x, where this equation where it's equal to 1. So as we know that Hamiltonian equal to px x dot plus py y dot plus pz z dot minus l. So we have to find Lagrangian. So px x dot plus py y dot plus pz z dot minus h, it goes to right hand side, so minus h. Here we did L equal to m naught x dot square the root of 1 minus beta square, beta equal to b by c. So here p x dot, that is equal to m naught, see m naught 1 root of minus 1 minus beta square x. So px equal to m naught x dot, then into x dot, that goes to m naught x dot square under root of 1 minus beta square. So like that y dot, then py pz. So this is Hamiltonian under root of p square plus m square plus v of x. So if it is c is not equal to 1, if it is c not equal to 1, then how is the formula? M naught v square x dot equal to v square under root of 1 minus beta square minus under root of p square c square m naught square c power 4 minus v of x. So minus that minus into plus minus v of x. So here m naught into v square under root of 1 minus v square by c square under root of m square v square c square plus m naught square c power 4 minus v of x. So if you substitute c equal to 1, so m naught v square under root of 1 minus v square m naught v square 1 by 1 minus v square plus m naught square minus v of x. Here c power 4 equal to 1, c square equal to 1, c square equal to 1, c square equal to 1. Then m naught v square under root of 1 minus v square minus m naught under root of v square by 1 minus v square plus 1 minus v of x. The next step, see Lagrangian equal to m naught v square under root of 1 minus v square minus m naught v square plus 1 minus see 1 minus v square take common, plus v square minus v square go cut down, then plus 1 we will get m naught by under root of 1 minus v square minus v of x. See, take m naught common, v square by under root of 1 minus v square minus 1 by under root of 1 minus v square minus v of x. So take m naught common here, under root of 1 minus v square 1 minus of 1 minus v square. So gets cancelled. We will get final Lagrangian equal to minus m naught under root of 1 minus, that is v is nothing but x dot square minus v of x. So what we have find here, we changed, already we have Lagrangian, already we have Hamiltonian function, just we substituted here and we equate to c equal to 1, where c it is, we followed these the steps. So finally we got Lagrangian for that one, minus m naught under root of 1 minus x dot square minus v of x. So option is, so second option is right option. Okay, we are moving to one more question in this one. So this is also we are under classical mechanics part. So this part C question, I think. So a ring of mass small m and radius r rolls without slipping, rolls down an inclined plane starting from rest. If the center of the ring is initially at a height h, the angular velocity when the ring reaches the base is. So this is the picture what the paper it has. So like this is inclined plane, this is inclination angle theta. See, this is height of h. What is the height here? H means here. So already mentioned this is a ring, the center of the ring to bottom. So up to here this is h. So the inclined plane height is h minus r. This is radius of ring. This is total height. So inclination height is h minus r. So from h minus r the ring is moving down, slipping. Without slipping, it is rolling down to the bottom. So we have to find the velocity when the ring reaches the base. So here we have to find the velocity. So this is a situation, just you have to observe the height what he has given, that is height from center of the ring to the base, but the inclination height is h minus r. So we are moving now for solution. Before going to solution, please subscribe my channel for more videos. See, height of the center of the ring, height from the center of the ring to base, that is equal to h. Then height of the inclination plane, that is h minus r. Already understood that one. As we know, motion of a body and on an inclined plane. So this is the velocity formula, the root of 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square. So this is the formula for velocity. But here we have to find angular velocity. Here we have to find angular velocity. So this is velocity formula. Here how it will come means simply it is kind of potential energy changes to kinetic energy. If we equate, we will get this equation. Here h is height of the inclination plane, g is gravitation, k is radius of gyration of the object. Here is the ring. So r is radius of the ring. We have the options. Now we are moving to solutions. So yeah. See, look here, this is a solution. See, for ring it is rotating in an inclined plane, it is rotating on its own axis. This is the ring, this is the own axis, it is moving. So moment of inertia of the ring, mr square. M is the mass of the ring, r is radius of the ring, k square equal to r square, radius of gyration equal to radius of the ring. So k equal to r. So go for V. This is a formula 2h by 1 plus k square by r square. That is equal to 2gh. H is inclination plane height. That is h minus r by 1 plus k is nothing but k square equal to r square. R square by r square gets cancelled. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 gets cancelled. Finally we will get V equal velocity and root of g, velocity equal and root of g of h minus r. So what we have now, what we have to find, that is angular velocity, that is omega equal to v by r. V equal to r omega, omega v by r. So under root of g of h minus r whole by r. So take inside, if you, that will be r square. Omega equals to under root of g of h minus r by r square. This is the, if we check dimensions also, we will get same. Omega is radian per second. CL t minus 2 L by L square. We will get per second, radians per second. We get, so this is a correct option. So the option is, so the third option is right option, g under root of g of h minus r by r square. Thank you users, please subscribe my channel for more CSR net or just physical science exams problems and solutions for online classes. So for physical science material, please subscribe my channel Smart Academy.